We have 4 project managers working in EAS with an experience between 15 and 30 years. We have a deep experience on narrow and wide body that enable us to be proactive and adapt to each particular event, whether it is for the need of the project or the request of our customer.
We also perform inspection on EWIS, CDCCL, pitot-static and ATC for aircraft under US regulation.
We perform refurbishment, modification and rehabilitation of galleys, seats, lavatories and so on.
We realize for liquid penetrant, ultrasonic and eddy current testing, and we perform full video expertise on engine and APU in accordance with the AMM and on 11 aircraft capabilities.
We perform minor and major repair or modification on every type of the aircraft VIP, narrow and wide body. We also remain available to go and assist airline on seat for any AOG or specific request.